I'm going to look now at IP addresses and more particularly about IP version 4 addresses. So an IP version 4 address is 32 bits long, each bit being a 1 or a 0, and you can see them right here at the top of this screen. Now we can separate these into 4 bytes by dividing up 8 of these, or taking 8 of them, putting a dot between each one. I can have 4 separate bytes, each byte being 8 bits long. Then I can translate each of those 8 bits to a number, a decimal number, from 0 to 255. That means there are 256 possibilities if you include 0 into each one. And so I can have a number that looks like this: 192, 168, 42, 10. Now I'm going to call each of these sections an octet. Octet because oct means 8, like an octopus has 8 legs. With 8 bits, I can get from 0 to 255, so 256 total. So if I multiply 256 times 256 times 256 times 256, I find out I can get 4,294,967,296 possible addresses. Now 4.2 billion, or almost 4.3 billion, there are 7.5 billion people approximately in the world. So that means that everybody can get half an address. That means we don't have enough to go around. Of course, only 50% of the population is on the internet. However, many people, in fact most people today, at least in our country, have 4, 5, 6, 7 addresses. So it just doesn't work out. In other words, there are just too many people and too many devices for the number of addresses that we have. So we are out of IP version 4 addresses. Now we still use the IP version 4 system, but we have some tricks that we use to do that, which we will talk about later. That's it for now for IP version 4 addressing.